My name is Adrian and I'm studying Law at Westminster. I chose to study at Westminster because it offers a combined LLB and LPC, which allowed me to essentially do both of the courses in the normal period of time, but for a reduced fee. I've been involved in the Student Law Clinic for 2 years. We've worked on a number of different types of cases in the Student Law Clinic. We've done adverse possession, we've done cases involving easements, as well as a debt issue involving a long leaseholder. Probably the one we've done most of is adverse possession. We've done a few of those. I think the difference in the clinic module in comparison to other modules you do on the LLB or even the LPC is that the clinic module is very, very practical, even compared to the LPC. You actually draft correspondence and court documents for submission. I would recommend it to other students. It gives them valuable experience that they won't get elsewhere. The experience that we get in the clinic is different to anything you'll get anywhere else, simply because you are supervised by an expert staff and they will ask you to draft correspondence, court documents, letters to the other side, and interview clients, which will, as a third-year law student, is very, very, very good experience. I think what I've enjoyed most about being in the clinic is the practical application of law. I've always enjoyed the practical application of anything I do, but law in particular has been very eye-opening. In particular, the difference between the academic side of studying law and the actual application of what you've learned in other modules. I think the key skills and experiences I've learned in the clinic are drafting, in particular drafting documents ready for court and submission, in particular advocacy documents, thinking about how a case is going to be argued, what documents you need to prepare, what defenses you're going to raise or claims that you're going to raise. I think the skills that you take away from that is a very high degree of organization and review skills, how you can review the facts of your client's case and then take away bits that might not be relevant. I think the skills that we've picked up and learnt in the clinic are going to help in our future careers, because they are essentially a taster of what we'll actually be doing. In particular, they are essentially a solicitor light version of the practice of law. I think that's probably the best way to describe it. It is what you would do every day. It is by and far away the best experience you can ask for. I much prefer the practical side than the academic side. I've always preferred practicality over the academic side of law.